girl. You coming out swimming with Mama? You coming out swimming? What are you doing? Careful, don't scratch me. Want to come swimming with me? Hi! Are we swimming? Are we swimming together? Yes, good girl. Good swimming. She's a good swimmer. Hi. Hi, good swimmer girl. Okay, don't scratch me. Carefully, carefully, carefully. You want to come back in? Okay. You don't know what this is on my head. Okay, let's swim in together. Come on, let's swim in. Let's swim in. Come on, swim in. You're a good girl. You keep swimming. You're a good girl. You're doing well. Come on, get in a little shallower so your feet can touch. Hi. Let's go get your brother. There he is. Let's go get him. Okay, that's a good girl. You're almost there. A little further. A little further.